Now we can try to set up this smart bulb. We have got a desk lamp here, so we can just install the bulb to the lamp and turn it on. Now I have got the bulb into the lamp. I'm going to connect it to the main power. So we have connected to the main power. Now we can turn the light on. Yeah. Okay, it's very bright, so it's on now. So now the light is on, so we can ask if the Echo Plus can set it up. Let me see if I have any examples to see about. In the smart home here, say you can ask Echo Plus to discover your devices. Let's try that. Alexa, discover my device.
Starting discovery. This will take a few moments. Power on your new devices now, and if needed, put them in pairing mode.
Yeah, I think blinking is detecting, I think. Because the light blinking has been detected. So it's trying to set it up maybe. It's rotating, it's doing something. So now, let's try to say turn on the light. Alexa, turn on the light.
Okay.
See, it's working. So it's actually connected. I think it's via Bluetooth, so connected to light. Alexa, turn off the light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on the light.
Okay.
Alexa, dim the light.
Okay.
Alexa, the light up.
Okay.
Yeah, it's working. Alexa, turn off the light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on the light.
Okay.